Dear students, welcome to this ICT Grade 8 learning session on Computer Operations and Fundamentals. Today we will learn about various secondary storage devices used to store computer files. This video lesson will cover what a secondary storage device is, examples of secondary storage devices, features of secondary storage devices. Then we will have a quick test followed by a recap of the lesson. To start with, what is a secondary storage device? A secondary storage device is a piece of hardware used to store computer files permanently. The files may be used at a later date. Secondary storage device is also called external storage device, backing storage device, or auxiliary storage device. Some examples of secondary storage devices are hard disk drives, solid-state drives, pen drives, memory cards, and optical disk. Each secondary storage device has its own characteristics, and selecting a suitable one depends on the type and the size of files to be stored. Now, let us examine the features of some secondary storage devices. A hard disk drive is a magnetic storage device. It has several moving parts. It provides very fast read-write access. A hard disk drive is found inside desktop and laptop computers. It has very large storage capacity. Its storage size is measured in gigabytes or terabytes. A solid-state drive is a mass storage device. That is, it can store a very large amount of data. It has no moving parts. It can also be purchased in a portable format known as an external hard drive. A solid-state drive provides faster access time, noiseless operation since it does not have moving parts, and lower power consumption. However, it is more expensive than a hard disk drive. A pen drive, also called a USB flash drive, is a small storage device which connects to the computer through a USB port. It uses solid-state technology and is suitable for transferring files between computers. A pen drive can also be used as a backup device. Its price varies according to its storage capacity. A memory card is a small flat flash drive. It is commonly used with digital cameras, mobile phones, and music players. A memory card has a very high storage capacity. Its price varies according to its storage capacity. However, since it is very small, it can be misplaced or lost easily. An optical disc is a flat and circular storage device which can be written to and read from using a low-powered laser beam. An example of an optical disc is the compact disc, also called CD. It has a storage capacity of 700 megabytes and can be used to store multimedia files. Another optical disc is the digital versatile disc, also called DVD. It has a storage capacity of 4.7 gigabytes and can be used to store very large multimedia files. A Blu-ray disc is also an optical disc. It has a storage capacity of greater than 50 gigabytes. It can be used to store several hours of video in ultra-high definition resolution. Optical discs can be classified as read-only memory, ROM, recordable, R, or rewritable, RW. In the read-only memory disk, data is pre-recorded and new data cannot be added. For example, when you buy a computer game on disk, you cannot copy any other file on the disk. Also, you cannot delete any file from the disk. The read-only disks are called CD-ROM, DVD-ROM, and BD-ROM. In the recordable disk, data can be written onto the disk but cannot be edited or erased. The recordable disks are called CDR, DVD-R, and BD-R. The rewritable disk allows data to be written and erased several times. The rewritable disks are called CDRW, DVD-RW, and BD-RW. Now students, let us do a quick test to evaluate what you have learned today. Read the following statements carefully and say whether they are true or false. You will have a few seconds to give your answer. Number 1. A hard disk has a very large storage capacity. True or false? The answer is true. The storage size of a hard disk is measured in gigabytes or terabytes. Number 2. New files can be stored on a CD-ROM. True or false? The answer is false. New data cannot be added to a CD-ROM. Number 3. A DVD has a smaller storage capacity compared to a CD. True or false? The answer is false. A DVD has a storage capacity of 4.7 gigabytes, which is much higher than that of a CD. Number 4. A memory card is used to store photographs taken with a mobile phone. True or false? The answer is true. A memory card is used as a storage medium in mobile phones. Number 5. A Blu-ray disc is suitable for storing small computer files. True or false? The answer is false. A Blu-ray disc has a very high storage capacity and is suitable for very large multimedia files. Dear students, this is the end of our quick test. I hope that you were able to get all the correct answers. Now it is time for a recap of today's lesson. A secondary storage device is a piece of hardware used to store computer files for later use. Examples of secondary storage devices include hard disk drives, solid-state drives, pen drives, memory cards, and optical disc. Each type of storage device uses a different technology for reading and writing data. Choosing a suitable storage device depends on the type of file to be saved. The price of storage devices varies according to their storage size. Dear students, thank you for your attention. I hope that you have enjoyed today's lesson. Until we meet again, goodbye.